wrapped up. This GT500. Gonna go over a few of the things we did with it. Came in not too long ago. Had some big engine problems. Cam sprocket was broken, but got all that taken care of. Got the motor broken in, and then we had to throw it back in the shop for the fuel system, so we can go E85. It is Lund tuned. The N-gauge. Let me open the hood. Alright, here it is. Right now it's not a whole lot, nothing too crazy. It is a built motor, MMR 1500. The MMR stage 3 blower cams, the Gen 2 VMP, just a JLT cold air for now. Yes, that is the stock throttle body, just for now. We just wanted to get it running right, and then we're gonna start doing all the other mods. Of course, 4 innovations, fuel system, triple pump. We have big plans for this one. Gonna turn it way up. Just got to get there. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. It does have a McLeod RST twin disc clutch. Other than that, what you just saw is basically all the mods. We need to put a tire on it, got to do some suspension, drive shaft, but all the bugs are worked out. It's running good, idle is good, drivability is perfect. We got a little bit of power in it now with the E85, and hopefully soon I'll have some racing videos of it as soon as we get a tire on it at least. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me go ahead and turn it on, and you can hear it chop. So here we go. So there you have it. Pretty much it. Sounds good, runs good. Now for the rest of the mods, we got, it does have full exhaust, in case you're wondering which exhaust. It is JBA long tubes with Off-Road X and MagnaFlow axle backs. So as soon as I have some more updates of this thing, more mods and any racing videos, I'll post them up, and we'll see how this little car does. Laters.